channel. Look. I went to America. I went to the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I hopefully remembered to timestamp this because I just wanted to timestamp this. Because I just wanted to tell you a little bit what's going on. If you follow along and you're one of the midnight watchers, which is what I call my people who are waiting at 12:01 a.m. Central Time for my video to upload, you know that last night I had a lot of trouble uploading. We have stayed in this particular hotel in this town year after year after year. I think more and more people are using Wi-Fi for more devices. We haven't been here in 2 years. The Wi-Fi speed is reduced. You know, the more people that use it, my Wi-Fi company had a great advertisement that it was like French fries. The more you share, the less you have. So the video upload speed was so super slow last night. So I apologize. My video went up about an hour and a half, maybe late. So I do apologize if you're one of those midnight watchers and you had to stay up. If you live in the, West Coast, you really don't care because it didn't make a difference to you, right? But I did have a video planned for tonight, but again, it was at length and I didn't want to take 20,000 years for it to upload. So I might just push it back till I get home. For those of you who don't know, I'm on vacation. We're here for our cousin's graduation. I'm in Ohio. I love visiting here. I love this land. I love this family. I love my family, but I also love this family. It's part of my family, so that's my family also. But while I was here, we had to go and I needed tissues, and we were looking for the 1 liter Cokes for Mom, which sometimes you can find at the Dollar Tree. And while I was in there, I just grabbed a few things that I thought I would share with you because a couple of things I've never seen before, but some things I was looking for, and I might as well just get into it. So the first thing is this bag. In all seriousness, I have the bag from last year, and this might be last year's line. I didn't see it this year at my store, but that doesn't mean that it didn't sell out immediately. Last year they had the really good one, the one that I liked that I was going to use a DIY. Well, I am going to use it for a DIY this year. But this one is really pretty. It's got like a faux pine background, and it says USA, Stars and Stripes, America the Beautiful, United States of America. And it has a star almost exactly like the star we painted. I know, right? It's like it was meant to be. Of course, it's on both sides, and it's blue in the middle and has a blue handle. So I was like, let me just buy it, and let me go ahead and use it because I have 50,000 Dollar Tree bags at home. We do repurpose them, and we recycle them when we can. But for the most part, with the coronavirus, they're like hesitant about taking them back. But okay, so let's get into this haul. First of all, I got a pool noodle. I picked up a red pool noodle for DIYs. I watched a new DIYer, and I have to try to remember who it was. I will remember who it was. I will. Crafting with Marie. I'll try to find her channel in my history and link it down below. But it was one of those, if you guys watch, if you ever put me on or another YouTuber on, like on your TV, and just pay attention to when they do something that sounds interesting, and then it continues to play, you have autoplay, and then they'll do the next recommended video. Well, this was the case. I was watching Sarah Jane, and when Sarah Jane's video was over, I let it play because it was another Sarah Jane video, a Chic on the Cheap, I'm sorry. And then when that second one was over, it played this one video, and I was like, what? Nope, that's not this story. This story was a recommended video by one of you all on Messenger that a lady created a bicycle. I know I've only had a little coffee today. It's been some day. Do you see the brightness on the curtains? This window faces east, and they're redecorating this room, and we don't have the blackout shades. I was up at 5 o'clock in the morning with the sun, so I'm sorry. This was a video that was shared with me by one of you. A woman had made a Dollar Tree bicycle wall hanging, and it was absolutely amazing. But what she showed us was she used this pool noodle instead of styrofoam, floral foam, because she gets a much bigger bang for her buck. And she's able to stick all of her stems in there, and she cuts it in half this way. So you can imagine that's 5 feet, actually 10 feet when you cut it in half long ways of styrofoam for, I'm taking another sip of water, for your plants and floral arrangements for $1. So next to the pool noodles, what drew me to the pool noodles was this, which I've never seen before. And I have to tell you, I've got a ton of ideas already. You might have had a sneak peek there because I got 2 of them because I've never seen them before. These are called pool noodle enhancers. Oh, this one doesn't even have a sticker. Boosters, not enhancers. And basically what they are is you put your pool noodle in there, and these can bounce on both ends and just give you a little bit more support. But look at that fantastic shape. It is like a triangular shape in the middle. It looks like a daisy. I just saw a daisy when I saw it. I just thought that was so pretty. I feel like my mind was reeling with all the things that we could do with them. If you're into industrial farmhouse, you could totally cut these down to look like gears. If you're into steampunk, gears. Of course, flowers. You can use them to stamp, I think. I'm 99.9% sure you can use styrofoam pool noodles to stamp. These are sort of like the melted ends. So I would cut a fresh end to use as a stamp if you wanted to, but I just thought they were so neat. And I picked up 2 of them because neat. And they come in different colors, 2 different greens they were in. That's not for my pool noodle. I don't need a pool noodle when I go swimming. Or want a pool noodle when I go swimming. Of course, I picked up my tissues. This is my favorite repurchase. This is Scotty's. You get 148 2-ply tissues. I always pick like the weirdest boxes. There. You guys. Okay, so these were shared with me all over. I saw them on the website. Sarah Jane shared them with me on the website. I feel like I saw them hold somewhere, but I had no idea they were so little. Look how teeny tiny they are. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. I just hung 2 shelves like this, white ones, on my coffee bar. And I just thought these were so perfect. They come with the mollies and the screws, or the wall anchors. I'm sorry, we won't call them mollies. These are wall anchors. They come with wall anchors and screws. They have keyholes in the back, just like the ones I got at Five Below. And they have them just in black. And I got them, and look how cute they have it decorated with a little succulent and a little picture frame. That has to be like a 2x3 picture frame. I'm just saying. When I saw the picture, I assumed it was a 4x6. No, I'm just kidding. But they're so cute. I thought they were so cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I have a couple of ideas, but I don't know if they'll work out. And of course, I have to run it by the old man. He's not saying anything. I buy one every year. I'm not kidding. Every year they come out with like a little bit of a different design. I love this. I actually have a video on my channel. I will try to remember to link it in the description box down below. Well, I made a table out of one of these with some lace and a plunger. You guys thought you loved me before. Wait till you see this table. But I did a half round table, moon table. This one is actually, can you see now it's scalloped on the edge? Not that you couldn't see it scalloped on the edge, but I wasn't sure if you felt like it was an optical illusion before. I just think it's so pretty, and you know, it's warm. No, I'm kidding. So it's just like a bunting, red, white, and blue with stripes. It's also a different bunting than you normally see as well. I'm just gonna crowd this little tiny chair with all the things. The last Americana thing that I got, have you guys seen the burlap ribbon with the stars on it? That's like one's blue with white stars, one's red and white stripes, and one's red with white stars. I know, you could say it. What are you doing to me, Dollar Tree? Are you kidding? This is I honestly have to tell you, I don't know why I just bought one. I was in a rush. But I just think this is stunning. Jimmy, did you see? Because you didn't see.
Interesting.
Is anybody else's husband that checked out of their Dollar Tree hauls? No? Just mine? Okay. I picked Jim up some socks because he loves socks, but he also loves fun socks. He loves funky socks. He likes to walk around the house in them too. And they had, because Father's Day is coming, and unfortunately Jim's not a father, but I can go ahead and just pour socks all over him. So I got these. He doesn't wear much navy blue, but he does have blue pajamas, so he'll probably wear these around the house. But they are navy blue with light blue tops, light blue heels, light blue toes, and light blue deer heads. I said it. I said it. They're deer heads all over there. The little silhouette deer heads are very farmhouse. I didn't mean to hit you. I meant to show you. I'm so sorry. Literally, he's in a king-size bed, and the paper hit him on the arm. Just figure that out. These ones I also thought he would love. It's got his screw gun. These are black and red. Jim's like favorite color is red, and he always wears black socks. His uniform at work is red and black too, so I thought he could wear this to work. It's got screwdrivers and wrenches and a saw and his screw gun, and I just thought that was so neat. And then the last one, I'm going by your foot. The last one, not Jim's colors, so totally pajama socks, but it's got computers all over it. I know. They're light blue and orange. Let's go Mets. But they're really cute, and they have little computers all over them. And if you know my husband, you know Jim likes computers. At least I hope they're computers and not a typewriter from looking down. No, I'm kidding. I think it's a computer. Hey, you have your glasses on. Tell me what you think about those. I mean, other than the fact that they're super bright. It's a computer, right? Like an old PC?
Actually, it looks like an old TV with batteries on it.
Does it?
Yep.
That's all right. He likes TV too.
Not as much as you do.
Not as much unless it's got an Xbox hooked up to it. Or PS4. Be honest. Ooh. Ooh, I was giving away the secret favorite item. And the last thing to show you, and my favorite item of the haul, really besides everything else, is... All right, first let me tell you. No, I'll just show you. Jim. I love you, Jim.
Not my yard.
They're these really cute sunlight spotlights. Now, we didn't have fantastic success with our spotlights, but I've heard a lot of really good reviews on them. I think it really depends on how dark your yard is, how much of an angle you need your solar light to point at, because we were really trying to point it kind of severe, and I don't think that the cell got really a lot of light. But I think they're so cute. I want to see. Make sure your tabs are always on there. So cute. So cute. They have a green base, green stem. Of course, always make sure that your ground stakes are in there. They're from the garden line. They're so cute. I can't take it. Oh, look. I just need a little sun. Sunflowers and me. I love sunflowers. They're very happy flowers. They were always, I would watch what I call the sunflower series of movies. Calendar Girls, The Divine Secrets of the Yaga Sisterhood, and Under the Tuscan Sun. All of those three movies do talk a little bit about sunflowers, and sunflowers is a little bit of the focus of the movie. Not the focus of the movie, but they're prominent in the movie, is what I mean to say. So I always used to think of my sunflower trilogy until Eden got married, and sunflowers were like, not her theme necessarily, but they were all the flowers that she used. And now sunflowers will forever remind me of her. So when I see them, they make me smile because they think of my Enid. That's right, you heard me say it right here on YouTube, Enid. So that's everything. I told you it was small, but you know, I made it work. We hopefully will have more. The plan was originally to go tomorrow, but we went out looking for some soda for Mom today. So while I was in there, I was like, let me just swing by all the places where the soda would be and see what they have. Which was good, because then I realized I'm probably not going to go back to this Dollar Tree tomorrow. I'm going to try the other one, which will save us time and money. Not really money, but save us time from having to go to both stores tomorrow. So that's everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Some of you might be asking, Mama's with us, and the house sitter said that Carmen is great. Carmen is the cat that Mom has. So She said she's, you know, looking out the door every day for mom, but otherwise she's doing well. So that's it. So if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to join the family. There's a little button right here that says subscribe. When you click it, a little bell will pop up. When you click that bell, you'll have a choice to pick all, none, or custom notifications. If you pick all notifications, YouTube will let you know every night I upload a new video. And I say night because that's usually when it is. And as always, you guys take care. God bless. And we'll see you next time. Bye.